Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. My name is Tunde Victor, and in today's video we are going to be doing dodge upon for this image right here. On my previous video I did focus separation for this particular image, and this is what we did last time. We went from this to this. So today I'm going to be doing dodge upon, and there are different methods of dodge upon. There's corrective dodge upon and there's contour dodge upon, but for this particular image I'm going to be doing contour dodge upon. And there are also different ways you can do corrective dodge upon or contour dodge upon, but me, I prefer using Retouching Academy. So I'm going to be doing dodge upon with Retouching Academy for this particular image. So let's just jump right into the video. The first thing I'll do for this image, I'm going to click on dodge upon curves on my Retouching Academy. This dodge upon curves right here, and it's going to show me something like this. It's gonna show black and white like this. This is to help me see where I'm going to dodge and where I'm going to burn. Dodge upon simply, contour dodge upon simply means dodging the highlight and burning the shadows to give the face a more dimension, like a 3D dimension, because the image is looking flat as it is right now, but it's not looking so flat. But after the dodge upon, the image will have more dimension. So I'm gonna click on my dodge right here, and I'm going to change my opacity to 100 and my flow to 4, and I'm using a soft round brush, as you can see. So I'm just going to, and make sure your brush is on white. If it's on black, it's not going to work. Make sure here it's on white. So I'm just going to zoom in like this, and I'm just going to brush on the highlight. I'm going to dodge on the highlights. Anywhere there's highlights, I'm just going to dodge there to give the image that 3D dimension. And I'm going to do the same for the jaw, the cheek too. And I'm going to dodge here a little bit, yeah, like this. And I'm going to dodge the hand a bit, just to give it that dimension. And I'm going to do the same for the neck, and here also. You can see our before and after, our before and after. That's for the dodging. So I'm going to come to the burn, and I'm going to burn the shadow. I'm just going to burn the shadow like that. I'm just going to burn the shadow. When we are done, you are going to see the difference. I'm gonna do the same for here. Just gonna burn it. Yeah. And now do the same for here, like that. So I'm gonna off this visual aid right here. I'm gonna delete this. So you can see our dodge and burn before and after. Let me zoom out. You can see the before and after. You can see it has given the image that dimension. You can stop here if you want to, but I'm going to take this a little bit far. So I'm just going to come here. I want to feather it, so I'm going to click here. It's going to show me my properties right here. So I'm going to click on the dodge and feather it to give it that smooth transition. As you can see, this is the before. You can see the smooth transition. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Focus on this place. This is how it is before, and this is how it is now. You can see the smooth transition to make everything blend. You can reduce the opacity if you want to, but I'm not going to reduce the opacity for this image. So this is how you do your contour dodge and burn. You can see the before and the after. So in my next video, I'm going to be color grading this particular image. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, you learn one or two from this video, please subscribe and give a like and comment. Thank you so much guys. See you guys in my next video.